This is so much like a laid off kind of a bike. Don't push it hard, just enjoy the road scenery, because in those performance kind of a bikes, your concentration should always be on the bike, handling the bike and everything, right? And you miss what is around the road, the nature, all these things. But that is the beauty of this bike. This bike is so relaxed kind of a bike, and you need not have that much of attention, doesn't demand that kind of attention as well. But it's not like you have to be careless around it. Otherwise, while coming back, you can. From here, it is like maybe 2 kilometers. Petrol pump. I don't know where is the petrol pump here. But we have. What, it is on reserve or what? Then come. So that is all with this bike. If at all I can, I will record a beautiful exhaust note. But don't expect too much, because I will not able to redline it or anything. Only these kind of straight roads I will be able to pull, and I will be able to make you hear the engine. And this is not a very loud engine as well. I would say my 250R is louder, much louder than this bike. This bike is not at all loud. Not in any ways, Everything what this bike does is very sophisticated, very down to earth person. Even being after such a costly bike, if you are looking for a value for money bike, let me tell you, this bike is not that kind of a bike. It is not at all a value for money bike, honestly. Just imagine, pay for 4 lakhs in 2013-14, you would get I think if you pay 5 to 6 lakhs, I think you were getting something like a CBR 650F at that time for 6 or 6.5 lakhs in 2013. And leave that, for 4 lakhs you are getting something like a good car at that time. Alto was 2.5 or 3 lakhs. Understand? Alto was 2.5 to 3 lakhs in 2013. So this is not at all a value for money, practical kind of a bike as well. Of course, you can use it daily, but nothing like, what to say, daily commuter, not that shit. Let me just enjoy this bike for a few moments. Because after a long time I am feeling this. This is more of a chill, chill, very chill. That is the only word what I am able to think right now. That is the only word I am able to remember after riding this bike. The suspension is soft, man. The suspension is soft. I'm not able to feel the bumps like I will feel in my bike. You know, that is one thing that is I have to appreciate Suzuki, that they have well tuned the suspension. Even in the higher RPM, I mean even in the higher speed, it will not wobble as well. It is that good. They have tuned the suspension well. The speedometer, the best thing what I like in my bike is the analog tachometer. It is there in this bike as well. You will get neutral, you will get high beam, you will get low fuel indicator, you will get that, what do you say, temperature sensor and FI. That's it. Nothing. Let me see how it performs in the off-road. There are some creaking sounds, that is for sure, because the mechanics in Suzuki are not so good. But he tells me that he gives to someone called Dr. Buza in JC Road for service and everything. Sorry? This bike is not for?
this terrain.
Okay.
You can feel a big bump.
Yeah, this is not so soft.